This is the simulation circuit of 25 level inverter with 4 DC sources. The DC sources is in the ratio of 1:4 is 2:4:6. That is V1 will be 1 into V, V2 will be 2 into V, V3 will be 4 into V, and V4 will be 6 into V. Here we have provided the V1 voltage as 12 volt, V2 will be 24, V3 will be 48, and V4 will be 72. And here the switching table of this old inverter is here provided here. This is the switching table. Totally 12 switches are there. So when the switches will be on and when the switches will be off is provided in this table. According to this table, we have to generate the pulses, and from that we will get the output voltage. Here if you see means for positive level from VDC to 12 VDC levels are there, and 0 level. For negative level -1 VDC to -12 VDC. So positive 12 levels, negative 12 level, 0 level. Totally we will get 25 levels. With the help of 12 switches, diode, only single diode, 4 DC supplies. Here in this, the pulses are generated for each switch. According to the switching table, the pulses is generated. Here for S1, the switch will be on in positive cycle for mode 2 to mode 4, mode 2, 3, 4. In these 3 signals, it will be pulses will be generated and the switch will be on. Similarly for S2. For S3, individually, we are generating the pulses for 12 switches. And those pulses will be provided to the MOSFETs. Okay, and here we are providing one load of 1 kilo ohms resistive load. Here we are getting the pulses, the waveform for the pulses for 12 switches. And the output voltage is provided here. In this, if you see means positive 12 level, 1, 2, 3. Here the levels are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For positive cycle 12, for 0, 1, and for negative cycle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 25 levels we are getting. And the THD of this, we can check it using this FFT analysis. Display here, the THD is around 3.7%. So the THD is less than 4%, which is the recommended value by the IEEE. So we are generating 25 levels with the help of 12 switches and 4 voltage sources. And we got the THD value also very less. The voltage source should be in the ratio of 1:2:4:6. That is the important thing here.